and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Proper Star, and today we're going to talk about this mechanism. This is a replica of a very beloved game, the Whack-A-Mole. The players need to press the button that lights up on time to solve the puzzle. The game has 4 stages. After all the stages are done, the puzzle is solved. In the beginning we have an output and I can take off the magnet. Instead of a magnet, you can connect lights or relays. Right now the game is on idle mode. To start it, you need to press any of the buttons. If you make a mistake,
Game failed. Please challenge again.
you have to start over. You need at least 6 buttons for the game to work properly, and you can add up till 12 buttons. If you don't know anything about the controllers, I recommend you watch my hardware video where I cover everything about them. You can change the output state via program and customize the sounds in the SD card to fit your escape room. If you don't know how to do it, check out my software video where I cover everything about it. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site custom builds, automations, mechanisms, and equipment for your escape rooms, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.